17 years, folks, that's what they reckon the average person will spend on social media in their lifetime. That's from recent research. That's approximately 78 hours a day. And it's believable because if you travel on public transport, go into a park, go into somebody's home, there'll be somebody bent over, buried into a mobile device. Or if they're not buried into it, they'll react to a bloody bleep it makes. That's the way of the world now, folks. If you haven't seen the opportunities that have sprouted up from the last 20 odd years, you must have been hiding somewhere. From kids building social media empires in their garage, they're now worth $1 trillion. That's the opportunities are hanging out of it, folks. This here social media is where kids all the way to people through to buffing up their retirement are using to create their businesses on. And I've seen that recently. I've done a lot of research into it. And I got my eyes opened, and I'm not missing this opportunity because I'm not going to be looking back in 5 or 10 years and freaking saying I wish I was on the back of that. If you got any questions, folks, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them, and I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.